Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we are vacuum sealing our flour. When doing flour, there's a couple little steps if you take that will help you from keeping your flour from coming out and getting in your machine. So now let's get started and put up our flour. Okay y'all, I thought I'd show y'all this quick little video of Travis putting up his flour. This is no bleach, no bromine, white flour that he has got, and we're putting it up in 5-pound bags, and we're putting up some in quart jars. And then we just use a regular lid and rim to put on the jar when you get ready to seal it. But vacuum sealing your flour this way will keep it fresher and you'll be able to keep it longer. Plus it'll keep any of the little bugs that might decide to try to get in your flour out. Put you a paper towel in it just like that, and that keeps the dust from coming up and getting in your vacuum sealer. Alright, when you're using a vacuum sealer in a jar, you wipe your lid off first. And what you're going to do is put your good lid on the mason jar. And then he's going to use what he calls a dummy lid to put on top of that one to hook the vacuum sealer top to. And it just released. And that means your mason jar is sealed and you'll be able to store that flour for a long time. When using the bags, place the paper towel on top of the flour before putting in the sealer, and it'll keep the dust from coming up and getting in your machine. Okay, here's his 6 jars of flour that we got put up. We vacuum sealed it. It's sealed good. And this is the little attachment that you use if y'all want to see what it looks like to do jars with. You have to buy those separate. So right here you have your wide mouth attachment, your regular mouth attachment, in your bags that you can use to vacuum seal with. There's our flour. Thanks for watching.